Our skin is the largest organ in our body. It's our first line of defense against the elements. It makes sense to take good care of it. A good skincare routine can help you achieve a healthy, radiant complexion. It can also help to prevent premature aging. It's never too early or too late to start looking after your skin. Taking care of your skin is not just about vanity. It's about maintaining its health and integrity. Your skin acts as a barrier, protecting you from harmful UV rays, bacteria, and pollution. A consistent skincare routine helps to keep this barrier strong. This helps your skin to repair itself. It also helps your skin to stay hydrated. All of this contributes to that healthy glow. Neglecting your skin can lead to a variety of problems. These problems include dryness, acne, and premature aging. By following a few simple steps, you can keep your skin looking and feeling its best. Before you start buying skincare products, you need to know your skin type. There are 5 basic skin types: normal, oily, dry, combination, and sensitive. Normal skin. This is the holy grail of skin types. It's well balanced, neither too oily nor too dry. It has fine pores and a smooth texture. Oily skin. This skin type produces excess sebum, leading to a shiny appearance and a tendency to breakouts. It's characterized by enlarged pores. Dry skin. Dry skin lacks moisture, often feeling tight and flaky. It's prone to fine lines and wrinkles. Combination skin. As the name suggests, this skin type exhibits characteristics of both oily and dry skin, typically with an oily T-zone, forehead, nose, and chin, and dry cheeks. Sensitive skin. This skin type is easily irritated by products and environmental factors. It can be prone to redness, itching, and burning. Knowing your skin type is crucial for choosing the right products. Using products not formulated for your skin type can lead to various issues. It can exacerbate existing problems. Cleansing is the most crucial step in any skincare routine. It involves removing dirt, makeup, pollution, and other impurities that accumulate on your skin throughout the day. Think of cleansing as the foundation of a house. Without a clean base, nothing else you build on top will matter. Proper cleansing preps your skin. It allows for better absorption of subsequent products. When choosing a cleanser, opt for one that suits your skin type and doesn't strip away your skin's natural oils. For instance, those with dry skin should avoid harsh foaming cleansers. These cleansers can strip away too much oil. Cleansing should be done twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. In the morning, it removes sweat and oil accumulated overnight. At night, it's essential for removing makeup, dirt, and pollution. Toning is often an overlooked step in skincare, but it plays a vital role in balancing your skin's pH level after cleansing. Most cleansers are slightly alkaline. This can disrupt the skin's natural pH balance. Toners help to restore this balance. Toners also remove any remaining traces of cleanser or makeup. They help to tighten pores and prepare your skin for better absorption of serums and moisturizers. There are various types of toners available, each formulated with different ingredients to address specific concerns. For example, rosewater toners are known for their hydrating and soothing properties, while witch hazel toners are beneficial for oily and acne-prone skin. To use a toner, simply soak a cotton pad with the toner and gently swipe it across your face and neck after cleansing. Avoid the eye area. Section 5. Serums, targeted treatments for specific concerns. Serums are lightweight, concentrated formulations packed with active ingredients that penetrate deeply into the skin. They address specific skin concerns such as wrinkles, dark spots, and acne. Serums are like the superheroes of the skincare world. They swoop in with their potent ingredients. They target specific concerns. They deliver visible results. Popular ingredients found in serums include hyaluronic acid, a powerful humectant that attracts and retains moisture, plumping up the skin and reducing the appearance of fine lines. Vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that brightens the skin, fades hyperpigmentation, and protects against environmental damage. And retinoids, derivatives of vitamin A that stimulate cell turnover, reduce wrinkles, and improve skin texture. When choosing a serum, identify your primary skin concern and look for products that contain ingredients known to address that issue. Section 6. Moisturizing, hydrating, and protecting your skin. No matter your skin type, moisturizing is essential for maintaining hydration and protecting your skin's barrier. Moisturizers work by trapping water in the skin. This prevents dryness. It also keeps the skin plump and supple. For dry skin, look for rich creams or ointments containing emollients like shea butter and ceramides. Oily and combination skin types may benefit from lightweight lotions or gels that provide hydration without clogging pores. Apply moisturizer to your face and neck after cleansing, toning, and applying serums. Gently massage it into the skin using upward circular motions. Section 7. The eyes have its specialized care for delicate skin. The skin around our eyes is the thinnest and most delicate on our face. It's also the first area to show signs of aging. This makes it essential to use a dedicated eye cream to address specific concerns. Eye creams are formulated with gentle yet effective ingredients that hydrate, brighten, and reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and dark circles. Look for eye creams containing ingredients like caffeine, which helps to reduce puffiness and dark circles, hyaluronic acid, which provides intense hydration, and peptides, which stimulate collagen production and improve elasticity. Gently apply eye cream using your ring finger. The ring finger applies the least pressure. Dot it around the orbital bone, avoiding the lash line. Section 8. Sun protection, your skin's best defense. Sun protection is non-negotiable. Ultraviolet UV radiation from the sun is a major contributor to premature aging. It can also lead to skin cancer. Wearing a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher daily is crucial. Even on cloudy days, UV rays can penetrate the clouds and damage your skin. Apply sunscreen as the last step in your morning skincare routine. Apply it after your moisturizer. Apply it about 15 minutes before heading outdoors. Don't forget your neck, ears, and the backs of your hands. Section 9. Exfoliation, revealing brighter, smoother skin. Exfoliation involves removing dead skin cells from the surface of your skin. This reveals brighter, smoother skin underneath. It also allows for better penetration of your other skincare products. There are two types of exfoliation: mechanical exfoliation, which involves using tools like scrubs or brushes to physically remove dead skin cells, and chemical exfoliation, which uses acids like AHAs, alpha hydroxy acids, and BHAs, beta hydroxy acids, to dissolve the bonds holding dead skin cells together. The frequency of exfoliation depends on your skin type and the method used. Over-exfoliating can lead to irritation and sensitivity. It's best to start slowly and gradually increase the frequency as tolerated. Section 10. Masking made easy, targeted treatments for enhanced results. Face masks are like mini facials at home. They provide a concentrated dose of beneficial ingredients to address various skin concerns. Think of them as boosters for your regular skincare routine. There are masks for every skin type and concern. Clay masks are great for absorbing excess oil and impurities. Hydrating masks replenish moisture. Sheet masks offer a quick and convenient way to deliver hydration and other benefits. To use a face mask, apply an even layer to clean dry skin. Avoid the eye and mouth area. Leave it on for the recommended time. Then, rinse it off with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. Section 11. Lifestyle matters, nourishing your skin from within. While a good skincare routine is essential, certain lifestyle factors play a significant role in maintaining healthy skin. Hydration is key. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin hydrated from the inside out. Diet is also crucial. Consume a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats to provide your skin with essential nutrients. Sleep is another important factor. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your skin to repair and regenerate. Stress management can't be overlooked. Practice stress-reducing techniques such as yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature to minimize the negative impact of stress on your skin. And of course, sun protection. We've already established this is crucial. Make it a habit to apply sunscreen daily and wear protective clothing, such as hats and sunglasses, when exposed to the sun. Remember, consistency is critical when it comes to skincare. It takes time and effort to see results. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate changes. Be patient, be consistent with your routine, and your skin will thank you for it. If you found these tips helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more skincare advice. Your support means a lot to us.